So when you order your Raspberry Pi, it'll come in a box like this. And so what we're going to do is, if you look at the front here, it says open here. We're just going to go in here and open up the box, and you'll end up with your Raspberry Pi 4. There's really the main thing that we need is the computer itself. Now we're going to be making up, in the next video, we're going to be making up the card that's going to go in here. If you look right here in the front, it's a little hard to see, but on the bottom of the card, so you have the top where everything is. If you flip it over, you'll see a little slot right here. And this slot is where we're going to be plugging the micro USB card once we get it formatted so that the Raspberry Pi has an operating system that we'll be running off of.